Today I will build a login automation, and then this login function will be used by other test scripts. I will use page object model and separate test log with test data. First, look at the project structure. Here is the project structure. General, before we have put the test and the tests folder. Today I will make other folder and file. First is the pages. Under pages, add login page file. Create another folder, helps. Under helps, add login helps file. Another is test data folder. Create this folder, add use.json file in this folder. We look at the folder you see here. I made 3 folders. And under this folder, pages, you see here is a page, login page. If I open it, you can see here is a class, login page. And this is a constructor. And under constructor have use name import text URL. So this is get the user name. Another password import. So get a password. Login button. So this is button name. This is the button. Name is login. Error message. And here is can handle the error message. So go to this page. You see here is go to this page and the login function, username, password. So get the username import, fill username and fill the passwords in the password import. Click login button. If log in successfully, no error message. If not login, get error message. So this is a class for the login page. And here is helps. You can see help. This is import from required from the page's login page. So this function is login as need a page, username, passwords, and here is load this login page. Wait login page and go to there and use login page login function. Add username, password, click the button. And this is export the model. This in the helps. Another you see here, we add test data. You see here is a JSON file and just include username, passwords, different username. In the test, we can see the login test. You see here is first is require playwright test expect, and here is use the login page. So this is require. This is pass and use file name and get this login page. Here is login help. Pass and file name and required get the login as. Another is test data user.json file required and get the user. So you can see here first test is wait the page come up, wait use this login as. You say here is the wait page, then user, this is the user data, and validate user. Validate user use name. Validate user use passwords. So go to here is this function is add username passwords and click login. So you can see here, if login should go to another page, so another page have the products, so products to be visible. This is a login successful. Another test is invalid use cannot log in. So go to this page, same as the same page. And here you say here is go to and use this login function and give user, this is user, invalidate user username, invalidate user passwords. After you click add the username passwords, click the login button. This time not go to another page, not go to the product, and still stay this page, just get error message. So get error message to be visible. Let me run test. You can two test paths. One is validate user can log in. Another invalidate user cannot log in. So this is run for this one. I can run for the command line. You see, after run, I open the text report. You can see here is a validate login. So you can see here is each step go in here and finish it. And for this one, you can see is go to the each step because the test pass, so don't have like the trace view recording. Yeah, because pass if fail have the video, also have the trace view from the report. I start a debugging model, so open inspector, see each step. Okay, so browser inspect. So this is a test script. So just one step by step. So you can see, go to this page, put a username and passwords and click login. So you see here, go to this page. So you can see product available. This one is available. So this test pass. Second test is invalidate user. So I go to step by step. It's also the login page. Okay, username, passwords, click login. You see here is get error message. This is error message, not go to the product page just stay the login page, but here is the message say username and password is wrong. So this is a get error message. Thank you for watching. See you next time.